one?
Hmm?
This is the one boat.
That one.
One. This.
This one is not.
Oh.
This one is for the stock.
Oh.
We need to take some of the life jacket there and suit.
Oh, okay.
After that, we go that. You see that one?
Yeah.
The boat, spade boat, like spade boat. What number that they?
Boat 3.
That one, boat 3. That one.
They are coming anyone here?
Because there's the time.
That is why. That's why you get first stage.
So, thank you Lord. Madayon na gid, wala na siya ulan. So, now I'm happy to ride again this boat. So, we wait for what time you take? What time is yours?
3.
I'm also 3.
Yeah.
The same. So if someone call us boat number 2 because we're 3 o'clock also, right? So we go down there, then we go there.
Okay, thank you.
Yan, malaking building sa Singapore. Yan. It's BC, but the DBC Bank, we are going to amoy. Smelly. Very smelly. Look. This smell. It's not good. Ayan. So this is the custom house of DBS Link. Later for mababae pala din sa selling. May babae din. Parang malaki to eh. Yan na, we started to ride. Parang iihi ako. Oh, iba na naman ang sasakyan.